I didn't want to worry about money or how I get by. But now that I have a reverse mortgage, I don't have to.
Our reverse mortgage helped us buy a new car.
We've raised children in this home, and now I want my grandchildren to enjoy it.
I've worked hard for my home. Now it's working for me.
Since 1989, a growing number of American homeowners have chosen a reverse mortgage as a way to live comfortably during their golden years. That's because this unique loan allows them to remain in their homes without having to make monthly payments. In fact, with a reverse mortgage, you don't make any payments at all for as long as you live in your home. But what is a reverse mortgage, and how do you know if it's right for you? Over the next couple of minutes, we will explain what a reverse mortgage is, clear up any common misconceptions that you may have, describe the process of getting a reverse mortgage. At the end of this video, you'll have a good understanding of what a reverse mortgage is and if it's right for you. You may be asking yourself, what is a reverse mortgage? A reverse mortgage allows you to convert the equity you have in your home into cash. You make absolutely no loan payments for as long as you live in your home. There is no risk of losing your home, and there is no income qualification. Does this sound too good to be true? It's not. Here's how it works.
When people initially purchased their home, they likely made a cash down payment and borrowed the rest in the form of a mortgage loan. Now, at that time, they had very little equity in the home, but each month they sent off their mortgage payment, and as they did so, they gradually decreased their debt. At the same time, they increased the equity in their home. Now, they're literally sitting on top of a pile of money that they've paid into for years. With the reverse mortgage, they have the ability to get back some of that money.
You'll retain full ownership of your home and live in it for as long as you like. You or your estate don't have to repay the loan until the last surviving borrower no longer lives in the home. People consider reverse mortgages for many different reasons. To pay for things they have always wanted or needed.
You can use the money from a reverse mortgage for anything you want. Supplement your income, pay off an existing mortgage, finance health care expenses, pay property taxes. You can make home improvements, take a vacation, resolve credit problems. You could pay your grandkids' college tuition, relieve your financial pressure due to the death of your spouse, or just live easier knowing that you have cash on hand for incidental or unexpected expenses.
A reverse mortgage may not be right for everyone. When it is, it can have an enormous effect on your life and how you live it. Let's introduce you to some people who were able to take advantage of a reverse mortgage. Mr. and Mrs. Hawkins live a comfortable life, but when the time came for a new car, they didn't want to tap into their savings to make the purchase.
When our 10-year-old car decided to break down, we needed a new one, but we didn't want to use our savings to make the purchase.
Erica began researching the reverse mortgage option, but John was still skeptical.
Erica and I have worked a lifetime to pay for our home, and we didn't want to give it up to the bank just like that. My first thought was, if this is a mortgage, making monthly payments could put us under a financial burden that we just don't need.
After discussing it further, Erica and John decided to meet a reverse mortgage specialist who visited their home and answered all of the Hawkins questions.
We decided that this is our home, and we want to stay here for the rest of our lives. So we decided to go for the reverse mortgage.
Now the Hawkins are able to live an active, enjoyable lifestyle.
And our children couldn't be happier for us. They said, "Go for it, Mom and Dad. Live the life."